Clear cases are a great way to show off the natural beauty of the Pixel 10 device, and the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 01 Edition is the best clear case I've ever tested. It's just the right balance of thickness and protection, and it's very easy on the wallet too. What sets this case apart is its unique 01 design, which creates the fascinating illusion of showing the phone's internal components. The intricate circuit board pattern gives your Pixel 10 device a tech-forward aesthetic that's both stylish and conversation-starting. Beneath that eye-catching design is a robust MagSafe certified magnet array, so you can be sure to always get maximum wireless charging speeds and secure accessory attachment. In terms of protection, the case delivers where it counts. The camera cutouts are precise with a raised lip that safeguards both the display and camera bump from scratches and impacts. Despite offering solid drop protection, it maintains the Pixel 10 device's slim profile without adding significant bulk or weight. All buttons remain tactile and responsive, while port access, including precise cutouts, makes daily use effortless. The MagSafe functionality truly impresses, with magnets strong enough to securely hold even heavier accessories like power banks. Wireless charging works flawlessly, and the magnetic connection feels reassuringly solid. My only minor complaint is that the sides can be a bit slippery and could benefit from more grip texture. However, this doesn't detract from what is otherwise an excellent case that perfectly balances protection, functionality, and style. For Pixel 10 device owners wanting to showcase their device while keeping it safe, the Ultra Hybrid 01 Edition is an easy recommendation.